Okay, good afternoon, Year 12. I thought I'd do a screencast because then it's easier for you all to see what I want you to be doing. I would like you to continue making notes from 5.1, 5.2 if you haven't finished them already, using the little Cornell style note template. So what I want to do, this is in the first assignment, it's right towards the bottom on Google Classroom, and it will say the BioK Cornell style note template. What you'd put the topic is obviously the topic is evolution and then key concepts. So within Google Classroom, I have put in there, you can see you've got organize your notes. If you click on that, it'll open up a Word file and it's got all the different things that you need to be having on there for your first. So I would look on there. Um, you've got like evolution occurs when heritable characteristics of a species change, or the fossil record. So let's say I was going to do the fossil record. I just want you to take that out of there. That's going to be your understanding. Control C, and then put that into this document here. So obviously the key concept, that's your learning statement, essential ideas. So fossil record provides evolution evidence for evolution. So by looking at the PowerPoint that's also in there, if we look at the PowerPoint, PowerPoint will go through different things about the evidence for evolution. So the fossil record, if we look down at the bottom, generally older rocks are further down, newer rocks further up, and within those you have got fossils. So we can see how things have changed over time. In fact, there's a whole thing on the next page where it does talk about all the different how the fossil record has changed over time, and we can look at how birds like Archaeopteryx is the classic example of like the first bird or the first kind of lizard bird, and kind of gives us that missing link thing. So make some notes via that. Now, once you've done all that, what I want you to do next is you need to go on to Cognity, which you should have got a password for. And I want you to do Cognity 5.1, 5.2. There's a little test, 25 marks, where you'd have a go at that. But make sure you've done all the notes for 5.1 and 5.2 first. I will be on I'll be on Google Meet, so if you need anything like clarified or you don't really get anything, then make sure you do just send me a message. Okay? And hopefully I'll speak to some of you in a minute. Thank you. Goodbye.